Hello children, welcome to Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today we will see class 7 practice set 23. Write three rational numbers that lie between the two given numbers. Means we have to find three rational numbers. So in this we will solve the type of sums in this, the first one, the second one, the third and the eighth one. These are the four main types for this exercise and the rest are dependent on this questions. I have already uploaded practice set 22. I'll share you the link in the description box. Do check for that video also. So let's get into the worksheet. So question number 1 is 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. We have to find three rational numbers between them. We will see between 2 and 6 there are already three numbers, that is 3, 4 and 5. These are the three numbers. So this is a direct question. You will get the answer as 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. So this was a direct question. Now let's see the second type. The question is 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Now here the denominators are different. We will make it same. We will cross multiply this 4 with 3. You will get the answer as 12, and for 5 3s are 15, and 5 we will multiply with this fraction. So 5 2s are is 10 and 5 3s are is 15. Now we will see how many numbers are there between 12 and 10. There is only 11 between 12 and 10. Only one fraction you are getting. So we will increase this fraction. We will increase by multiplying 2. So 12 upon 15 multiply by 2 numerator, and same way for 10 upon 15 we will multiply with 2. We will increase a fraction. Now the fraction you are getting is 24 upon 30 and 20 upon 30. Now we will see how many numbers are there between 24 and 20. There are three numbers. So your answer will be 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. So this is your three rational numbers between 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Now let's see a subtraction question, that is minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Here also denominators are different. We will make it same by cross multiplying. 2 multiplied by 5 you will get as minus 10, and 5 3s are is 15. Here is 4 3s are is 12 and 3 5s are is 15. Hope you are understanding this concept. Now we will check how many rational numbers are there between this. Minus 10 is there and minus 12. So we will check in the number line. 0 comes in the middle. Minus 10 will come this side, the left side, and 12 will come the right side. So there are so many numbers between minus 10 and 12. So you can take any of that numbers as your answer. So let us consider minus 9 upon, what will be the fraction now? 15. Minus 9 upon 15, 1. I'll take 2 upon 15, the second fraction. 15, the third one. You can take any numbers between minus 10 to 12. So hope you are understanding. We will see for the last type, 0 and minus 3 upon 4. Now here the question is 0. So we will check first how many numbers are there between 0 and minus 3. There is only minus 1 and minus 2. Only two numbers are there. So we will increase this fraction. If 0 don't have any denominator, we will consider it as 1. So here also now denominators are not same. We will cross multiply. 0 4s are is 0 and 1 4s are is 4. Minus 3 1s are is minus 3 and 4 1s are is 4. Now the denominators are same, but between 0 and minus 3 only minus 1 and minus 2 is there. So we will increase this fraction by 2. We will increase this fraction by 2, both the fractions. So here you will get answer as 0 upon 8 and minus 6 upon 8. Now we will check how many numbers are there between them. There is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So many numbers are there, so we can take any of the numbers as our answer. We will take minus 2 upon 8, minus 4 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 8. Hope you are understanding this concept and this problem set 23. Rest questions are based on this type only. So children, do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.